Hi, welcome to Nimbis Audio, your destination for high-quality music plugins. In this video we will walk you through how to purchase and download your plugin from nimbisaudio.com. We will navigate to nimbisaudio.com. You can find the link in the description. Right on homepage you will see our upcoming Genesis i2 audio interface. It is available for pre-order now, or if you are watching this video in the future, you will be able to purchase it directly here. Below that you will find our plugin collections. Let us walk through how to purchase one of our plugin. Click on the plugin you want to purchase. I will click on this bundle. Right on the product page you will see the full description, features, system requirement and price. So once you are ready, click on Buy Now button. You will be prompted with View Cart text, or you can navigate to cart icon. Here I will click on this view card. Here you can check your product, apply discount codes, and when everything looks correct, click on Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, fill in your details, name, email, and payment information. Make sure your email is correct, as your download link and license key will be sent there. We accept secure payment through credit card and debit card. After reviewing your order, click on this icon and then place order, and if you want to read our terms and condition, just click on this text and then place the order. Once payment is complete, you will see an order confirmation page. Similarly like this, you will also receive an email with your download link and license key. If you want to log in, just navigate to this icon and you will be prompted to sign in. Provide your email address and password. Then once logged in, you will see this page. Navigate to Orders under Order. You will be able to see the order that you have placed and you can find your download links there. See, we have purchased Nimbis plugin bundle. So you will get the download link for Mac OS and Windows OS. You can navigate to License Key. You will also receive the license key dedicated to your purchase. And that's how easy it is to purchase plugins from nimbisaudio.com. Stay tuned for the next video in which we will learn about how to install our plugins in Mac OS and Windows. And don't forget, our Genesis i2 audio interface is available for pre-order now. Expand your creativity and take your music to the next level with Nimbis Audio.